Custom contemporary open floor plan located on level landscape lot. Souring 2-story great room with a stone front wood burning fireplace overlooks the built-in wet bar leisure room. A formal dining room leads into the gourmet kitchen with cherry cabinetry with a sunny breakfast area. A first-floor bedroom with view and access to the lake lends to a private ensuite with full bath. A separate laundry room west/opportunity for a power room located off the mudroom/garage entry. The second-floor primary bedroom offers a private deck with waterfront views. There is a spacious full bath just waiting for your design ideas. The lower-level living area will not disappoint. Designed with a complete separate entry and offers a full kitchen, living room with a wood-burning fireplace over hardwood flooring and views to the dining room. A bonus room third bedroom/den and a fourth full bedroom just steps away from the third full bath. The outdoor living space offers 3 decks, a patio and an outdoor fireplace to enjoy the waterfront living. Lakefront dock and parking for additional boats along the 100 feet of waterfront. A car enthusiast delight can be found in the heated/air-conditioned finished 2-car garage with pull-down loft storage. The attached garage offers the convenience of easy access into the home. Scenic lake views and stunning sunsets that will amaze with the convenience of easy access to major routes, walking distance to downtown shop.